Good morning this Wednesday, the 7th of May. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. In the US on Tuesday, Wall Street continued its sell-off as investors await further clarity on the global trade and tariff front. The Dow Jones fell 0.95%, the S&P 500 lost 0.77%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq ended the day down 0.87%. Tesla shares came off 1.8% on Tuesday after the company's new car sales in Britain and Germany fell to their lowest level in more than 2 years last month, despite growing consumer demand for electric vehicles. In Europe overnight, markets in the region closed mostly lower as investors continue to monitor corporate earnings results and uncertainty around the US trade outlook. The STOXX 600 fell 0.18%, Germany's DAX lost 0.4%, the French CAC also fell 0.4%, and in the UK the FTSE 100 ended the day up just 0.01%. Across the Asia region on Tuesday, markets closed mixed as investors in the region continue to assess the unfolding trade situation between the US and key trade partners like China. China's CSI index rose 1.01% yesterday. Hong Kong's Seng added 0.7%. India's Nifty 50 fell 0.3%, and Japan's Nikkei was closed for a public holiday. The local market started the new trading week with a sell-off that ended a 7-day winning streak for the ASX 200 after key trading updates and uncertainty around tariffs and trade deals weighed on investor sentiment. On Tuesday, the key index ended the day down 0.1% as healthcare and banking stocks weighed on the key index. An increasing amount of locally listed companies have been updating the market with tariff implication expectations and unclear outlook notes that have increased investor panic in recent days. WiseTech Global fell over 2.5% after warning of potential demand risks from tariffs as the latest company to report uncertain outlook. Tabcorp bucked the volatility yesterday with a rise of 9% though after the gaming and wagering company announced the wagering market continues to remain very strong, with a modest improvement to turnover trend in wagering market, indicating consumer demand remains very strong despite broader volatility. On the commodities front this morning, oil has rebounded to trade 3.3% higher at $59 per barrel. Gold is up 2.46% at $3,416 per ounce, and iron ore is down 0.8% at $97.41 a tonne. The Australian dollar has further strengthened against the greenback to buy 64.94 US cents, 92.51 Japanese yen, 48.33 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 8 cents. Ahead of the midweek trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day down 0.38%, and that's tracking Wall Street's losses overnight. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has downgraded the rating on Platinum Asset Management from a hold to a sell rating after the funds manager released April's results, including funds under management falling $629 million or 6.1% to $9.647 billion. And Trading Central has identified a bearish signal on Lovisa following the formation of a pattern over a period of 21 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of $24.85 to the range of $19 to $20 per share, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Wednesday morning. I hope you have a wonderful day and happy investing.